Hello, friends. Hi. How are you? Are you gardening at home with your mommy and daddy? How do you find it? Have you planted something? If it's a yes, why not you try a new thing today? Composting. Today, we are going to read about Compost 2, an A to Z recipe for the earth by Mary McKenna Siddals, illustrated by Ashley Wolf. Let's begin. Environmental chefs, here's a recipe for you to fix from scratch to mix a batch of Compost 2. Ingredients: apple cores, bananas bruised, coffee grounds with filters used, dirt clods crumbled, eggshells crushed, fruit pulp left behind, all mushed, grass clippings, hair snippings, and an insect or two. Just add to the pot and let it all rot into Compost 2. Save jack-o'-lanterns, kitchen scraps, laundry lint from dryer traps, mulch removed from garden beds, nutshells, oatmeal, paper shreds, quarry dust, rye bread crust, and seaweed strands, a few. Just add to the pot and let it all rot into Compost 2. Take tea bags plucked from long hot swimmings, underbrush prunings, vegetable trimmings, wiggly worms with compost cravings, Christmas tree needles, yellow pine shavings, and zinnia heads from flower beds whose blooming days are through. Just add to the pot and let it all rot into Compost 2. Moisten, toss lightly, cover, let brew. And when the cooking is complete, Mother Earth will have a treat, dark and crumbly, rich and sweet. Now open the pot, and what have you got? Shall we find out? Let's all say it together. Ready, steady, we say Compost 2. And the end. Bye everyone. Hope you will try composting with your mommy and daddy at home. See you.